Tretinoin is one of the most talked about skincare ingredients. But how does it actually work? Tretinoin is a vitamin A derivative that works at the genetic level. It doesn't just sit on the surface of your skin, but actually enters your skin cells and travels straight to their nucleus, the brain of the cell. There, it binds to special sensors that act like switches in the cell. When these switches are turned on, it can change how the cell behaves. For example, in the outer layer of skin, tretinoin switches on genes that stimulate the creation of new cells, while also improving the shedding of old, dead cells. Skin turnover becomes faster, which helps to unclog pores, smooth the skin's surface, and fade discolorations. In the deeper layer of your skin, tretinoin wakes up fibroblasts, the cells that make collagen. Collagen provides structure for your skin, providing firmness, elasticity, and strength to prevent sagging. In your skin cells, tretinoin switches on collagen-producing genes. At the same time, it reduces enzymes that normally break collagen down. So what does this mean over time? More collagen is built, and less collagen is lost. That's why fine lines gradually soften, and texture looks smoother. For acne, tretinoin works a little differently. It reduces how tightly skin cells stick together inside your pores. When cells don't cling as easily, clogs are less likely to form. But here's the part people don't always expect. All of this works by increasing cellular activity. And when activity ramps up suddenly, your skin barrier needs time to adjust. During this adjustment phase, water loss can increase, leading to drier skin. Redness and peeling can appear. But that early irritation isn't damage. It's actually adaptation. Your skin is recalibrating to a higher level of turnover and gene signaling. Over the next several weeks, your barrier reorganizes, inflammation settles, collagen remodeling continues, and pores clog less easily. So tretinoin doesn't just improve skin, it changes the very instructions that your cells follow. This is Skin Logic. Subscribe for more science-backed skincare breakdowns.